This demonstration will show how to add an event to an existing or new policy using the Events Management inbox. To begin, select Events Management from the left navigation menu. Optionally use the Event search box, event type, and/or platform options to apply filters to Events Management. This demonstration will select Elevation Request to filter events reported by the EPM default policies to detect privilege elevation requests for unhandled applications. In this example, a standard user was detected to try to run PowerShell with privilege elevation. To add the application detected by the event to a new or existing advanced policy, locate and select the ellipses to the right, then select Add Event to Policy. Alternatively, to add the application detected by the event to a new or existing application group, select Add Event to Application Group. This demonstration will add the application to an existing application group. A new window opens that allows you to search for the name of the application group or select from a list of existing application groups. This demonstration will add the application to the default block application group as it was determined that running PowerShell is not permitted by standard users. Once the application group is selected, click Add to Application Group. Congratulations! You have successfully added an application to an existing application group using an event detected by Events Management. For more information, refer to our online resources.